on, guys. Why wouldn't you want to shake your clown's hand?
For very many reasons.
Come on, put her there, pal.
The latest on disrespect from Buckles the Clown.
Wow. I'm very happy. Let me get
just dancing around, dodging his little every. What's his little doing?
That sucks!
You gotta watch these Mexican wrestlers. They're real fast with these go-behinds and these weird wrestling moves they got going on. These guys got some speed behind them.
I don't think Buckles is going to be doing any birthday parties after this match.
Nice bridge right there. He's got the top key locked in. The Mexican wrestler showing off his submission skills here. Beautiful, nice drop toe hold into a cross face lock here. He's got the ropes. Calling for the rope break.
That was a smart move by Buckles. Very good ring awareness right there.
Oh, looks like the Clown's gonna. What's he looking for here? Big suplex. We may see a lot of clown antics going on here. Be careful.
Here I come!
And here comes the Luchadore to the top rope. We might see some high flying here.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Double down! Turn out! I think he sucks!
Another time, turn it over!
Not here yet.
Bing, bing, bing! Pulls off the victory.
Buckles runs away.
That's got to be frustration.
Give it up one more time!
Wow.